To configure the remote login, first open the Datalogger Configuration Manager software, select the COM port and click on Open. And enter the default password RDL123 to log in. And here in the sidebar menu, click on Wi-Fi GPRS 4G LTE. In that communication media, select Wi-Fi. Before configuring the remote, make sure that your device is under local login, which means your PC and the device should be on the same network. And in the access point section, set your SSID and password. Close your COM port. Click on the Remote option, then click on Configure. Select the Datalogger device COM port, click on Open. And select the Wi-Fi option. Enter the remote IP address and set the port number to 5152 and click on Save. And set the server interval as 60 seconds. And close the COM port and click on the Listen. Enter the password and log in to the remote logging page. Now you can configure the device.